out. Go on, I need my coffee.
You gonna make us some coffee and eggs?
There's a coffee and eggs.
Well, where is it?
My daddy.
Oh, but I need the coffee. Are you making the coffee right there?
Yeah. There's coffee.
Let me see.
Did you put sugar and cream in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
That's my cup of coffee.
Where's my coffee?
That's for Dad.
Dad's got it.
You need to get another cup.
No, that's Mama's.
Oh, okay.
That's yours.
Oh, okay.
That's how Daddy drinks it normally, I guess. Straight out of the coffee pot.
Everybody ready?
Everybody ready? What else do we got? Muffins?
Yeah, cook Mom's muffin.
Daddy.
Did they bake long enough?
Better shut it.
Good deal. They're ready. Oh, you're making bacon and eggs. What did you just do? Oh, you're going to use your oven mitt? Good girl. You don't want to burn your hands. Daddy's amazed. Let me see.
You got them?
Good job.
Leave the pan in there.
Ooh, they're hot. Bring it to me. I'll eat them.
Thank you.
Where's mine? Oh, thank you.
Why do you give Mommy hers first?
Here, let me see you eat it.
Give me my muffin?
You eat some. Is that good?
Let's go.
All right, thank you, Cook Riley. You did a good job.
Thank you.
You do your job.
Give me 5. You did it.
Do you need some more? Do you need some more?
I need more. Yes, please.
I ate all my eggs.
Oh. All right, good night.
Do you need some more?
Yeah.
Do you need some more egg milk?
I do. Yeah, Mommy, Daddy, we need more eggs.